Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to do something different and do a client view tutorial. So today I have my model. Today is my sister, my younger sister, India. And so today I'm going to be doing a tutorial with me doing her makeup. It's going to be like a full transformation. Unfortunately, the hair part we did not record, but I did install the wig as well. But here I'm just doing my go-to normal process for my brows. I lay them down with the glue, then I'm filling them in. At the end, once I get the brows to the desired look, I go in with my brow gel to set them, and then I go in to conceal them with the e.l.f. Cosmetics concealer. So I'm going to be going in and out of this tutorial because a lot of the steps I'm doing in this makeup routine is what I normally do in my makeup routine. I will come on here and just, chit chat with you guys. But normally, I'm just going to let you guys watch me do this tutorial. Here I'm going in with my Real Technique concealer brush and I'm just blending out my concealer around the brows. And I will come back in for the next couple steps. Here I'm going in with my mini Juvia's Place Masquerade palette, and I'm going with the shade Cairo, and I'm using that as a main color for her lid. Our first was so crazy is we actually did a cut crease, but I didn't really like how the look was turning out, so we just went back in and just did a single shade here. So I'm going in with Cairo, and we're going to cover the full lid. I guess I was just feeling really risky, a little risque with this look, y'all, because I'm really not good with the wing liner on myself. So I don't even know what possessed me to do one. But hey, this is a year of no excuses, so we just gonna do it. I guess that's what I'm trying to go with. But so I went in with my e.l.f. Cosmetics liquid liner, and I'm just forming a wing here before I apply her lashes. Once I have primed her face, I'm going in with my black opal foundation stick in the shade Rich Caramel. And then once I have blended that out, I'm going in with the e.l.f. Cosmetic in the concealer. Sorry, I got tongue-tied that quick. But with the concealer in the shade Medium Beige.
Here I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me loose powder in the number 30, and I'm just setting the concealer. Well, I'm placing the powder in all the areas where I do the concealer at, and it's mainly the T-zone area. So that is what you're seeing me do in this step. As well as when I contour, I am going in with my Black Radiance Contour Kit in the shade medium to dark, and I'm going in with the scope, and then I will be highlighting using the highlighter from that palette as well. We're going to be going in with the Cairo again, and we're going to apply that shadow in the waterline. And then, guys, when I go to the lip, I am using the NYX lip pencil, but I can't even I can't find it now to tell y'all what color it is, but I am using an NYX lip pencil. For some reason, the rest of the lip did not get recorded, guys, but as you can see in the end, the final look turned out great. I definitely want to thank you guys so much for watching. If you do enjoy videos like this, please thumbs up, comment below, and let me know that you like these kind of videos, to see it on different clients, different skin tones, to just see my different type of work I can do with basically the areas of work I can do. Just let me know below. I hope you guys like this video. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next video, and stay true and stay you, and thanks for watching.